Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a deep dive into one of the most popular diagnostic scanners on the market, the FOXWELL NT530. Whether you're a DIY car enthusiast or a professional mechanic, this compact tool packs a serious punch. Let's find out if it's worth your money. The FOXWELL NT530 is a professional-grade OBD2 diagnostic scanner designed for in-depth diagnostics on a wide range of vehicles. Unlike basic code readers, this one goes beyond just checking the check engine light. It gives you access to ABS, SRS, transmission, EPB, SAS, and even bidirectional tests. Let's start with the design. The NT530 has a solid rubberized build, a 2.8-inch color screen, and a simple button layout. No touchscreen here, but that's actually a plus for garage environments where you might have greasy hands. It connects via USB for updates and uses a standard OBD2 cable for your vehicle connection. More special feature FOXWELL NT530 12V24V battery tester, 102,000 CCA. Compatible with multiple rating standards, CCA, CA, MCA, JIS, DIN, IEC, EN, and SAE. Accurately tests various battery types, including regular flooded, AGM flat plate, AGM spiral, and GEL batteries. Supports essential service functions for major vehicle brands, including steering angle sensor, SAS calibration, DPF regeneration, ABS bleeding, BCM, SIR setup, and more. Ideal for enthusiasts, small workshops, independent repair shops, specialized garages, and professional technicians. Features multi-language menus and code support, making automotive diagnostics faster and easier for users across the global marketplace. The NT530 Plus performs component and system bidirectional tests, supporting advanced features such as adaptations and control module coding. It comes preloaded with one free vehicle software and can cover up to 5 vehicle makes in total. Additional software can be purchased and added anytime as needed. Show live vehicle sensors, data in text and graph formats, and allows you to focus on any suspicious or symptom-specific data parameters. It records live sensor data and Palibac's records to capture intermittent faults whenever they happen. Also, it's have lifetime free update. With internet access, you will always have the latest bug fixes, newly added parameters, and functionality at your fingertips. In addition, NT530 Plus is upgradable to cover more car makes at unbeatable value. And its access to multiple controllers, NT530 has access to trouble codes, freeze data, and live sensor data of powertrain, chassis, and body systems, ABS, airbags, instrument cluster, etc. Actuations, adaptations, and coding. NT530 allows you to use the scan tool temporarily activate or control a vehicle system or component. Provided that a module can be recoded, it gives you the ability to flash a control unit with new program data. Alright, if you're an automotive enthusiast, independent repair tech, or run a small garage, the NT530 gives you professional features at a fraction of the cost of dealer tools. It's also a solid investment for anyone who works on multiple brands and wants to perform advanced diagnostics from home. That's the FOXWELL NT530. Powerful, versatile, and reliable. If you're serious about diagnostics, this tool is absolutely worth a look. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below if you've used the NT530 or want me to test another FOXWELL tool next. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.